Welcome to the Lallman's video demonstration for the plugin within Unreal Engine. You can generate text easily using the default widget on the interface right now. Ask your AI any dynamic question, and it'll answer super quickly using CUDA, an excellent mock-word technology. You can also use the text-to-speech function built into the plugin. Click the TTS button to get an AI's vocal response.
I am doing well. Thank you for asking. It's always a pleasure to talk with someone new on this platform. That sounds wonderful. I am glad to know that you are in good spirits and eager to engage in conversations like ours here. Now let me tell you about my recent trip to the beach last weekend. The weather was perfect. Sunny, warm, and breezy. What do you usually enjoy most when going out or traveling somewhere during your leisure time? Surely I feel happy that you shared such an interesting event from your life, going by what I can understand.
And this is the vocal input and output part of the plugin demonstration, where I demonstrate how to communicate with the AI using your vocal speech. Upon walking into the blueprint, you'll notice a wheel icon on the top left corner of your screen, indicating that you can record a message to your AI. Then, simply press the T key to record your mic input.
Hi friend, what's the weather like in Mars right now? On Mars right now?
Then the text you've input using the vocal input settings will appear in the text box above the Submit for AI feedback button. Now you can press the Submit button to generate your AI's response. Then you can press the play button to play your AI's vocal response. It's so simple. Anyone can do it.
Alright, buddy. I don't have real-time data on current Martian weather conditions, but based on various scientific studies and researches conducted by NASA and other organizations, I can give you an estimate on how it may look like. Mars experiences a cold and dry climate, with average temperatures ranging from minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 117 degrees Celsius, at night, to minus 53 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 42 degrees Celsius. During daytime, according to averages over the planet, the temperature can vary depending upon which hemisphere you're referring.
And within the resources for plugin directory, we have a server settings editor utility widget. You can easily replace the current server host or IP address data to any remote server address in the text box above the button labeled Configure to New Server. Now let's take a look at the Personality Studio widget, which can compile and generate any unique personality to a LLMS-compatible personality file with a generated directory and configuration file. Here we have the Personality Studio widget interface with a simple UI. There's 4 available text boxes where you or anyone can input their desired custom personality to compile it into the LLM's backend system. There's also 4 presets on the left of the interface. One for Victor the Ruthless, Thora the Benevolent, Jinx the Trickster, and Kylight.
Now, let's demonstrate the functionality of Personality Studio using the Jinx the Trickster preset. Simply click the button to populate the text boxes, then set the temperature slider to your desired response's diverse response text setting. I'll start with 2.0 for our first temperature compression for our Jinx personality creation. As you can see, the settings are reflected in the configuration file, including the temperature and the other settings filled in within the text boxes. Now simply drag and drop your newly created personality into your LLM's custom personality directory to begin setting up your new custom personality created within the Unreal Personality widget. Now let's create more personalities to demonstrate the C++ export feature of the Personality widget. As you can see, whenever I create a new personality, it shows up in my project's root directory. You can do this with any personality you devise using the text boxes above. The Eldon, the wise personality I've just created, with its specific temperature value being 0.254 is reflected in my configuration file as above. Enjoy the LLM's A personality creation tool and text generation tool